Parks and green spaces is an important element of Edinburgh and the citizens and visitors, and we hope that the parks and green space is a key element of that. We are keen to look at all different sort of new technology and different ways of maintaining the sites that we have to look after.
When I first saw it, I must admit I thought, this is not going to work. These wee machines won't do what a tractor cuts. And I can only say I'm gobsmacked, because the evidence proves for itself. It does it more. It keeps it to a standard that we couldn't keep before. They can't believe. I've even brought other managers from different sections to have a look at this, and even they can't believe that these wee machines can do this size area and do a good job. It's actually just a tractor. It would cut this. Right now it's been great because our tractor's been released to do other things.
This area in particular would normally cut with a cylinder mower, and it's not an easy site to get to, so it would be coming up with loading the machine on a vehicle, bringing the vehicle up, unloading, cutting the grass, 45 minutes to cut, the vehicle come back again, mower taken away, so it's all time consuming, whereas with the robotic mower, set it up and off it goes.
The machine is very reliable. We've had very few issues with any breakdowns or problems with the actual machine at all.
If I can free up what limited resources I have to look after the borders and the plants, it's a winner for everybody, because the borders are clean and the grass is still getting cut.
The gardens here are very busy, so we've seen a real benefit with the Automower not disturbing people when they're sitting having their lunch. It's obviously very quiet, and normally we would have to stop cutting in these busy periods.
No tidying up to do. The machines just do everything itself, and it's been marvellous.